Hey everybody, I've been talking to high school driver's ed classes around the county for over 35 years. And I thought I'd share some of the things that I share with them because a lot of you don't know the same things that we're teaching them in the classroom. So the first thing I want to talk about is how you can save money on your insurance. Right now, gasoline, everything's groceries, it's all going through the roof. You can save money on your car insurance. This is going to be a 4-part series on how to save money on your car insurance. Some of this will also apply to your home insurance, life insurance, and a bunch of other things. So, first thing I want to talk about today in this one is your deductible and your premium and the relationship between them. I share with the driver's ed classes that it's like a teeter-totter. When one of them goes up, the other one goes down. In my example here, when your deductible, the big D, when that goes up, what you pay for your premium goes down. Now, one of the things I share with the high school kids is if you drive for the rest of your life and you don't have any tickets and you don't have any accidents, how much money, this insurance premium that you pay in, how much of it's coming back? That's right, none of it. So why would you ever want to pay more for your insurance when you can raise your deductible and lower your insurance premium for the rest of your life? Now, what you want to do is keep in mind, you want to drive your deductible as high as possible. You could go to $2,000, $2,500. Couple of things to keep in mind. One is to have a $2,000 deductible. I share with the students, you have to have $2,000 in the bank. Here's also another very powerful rule of thumb. I recommend that you have 1.5 to 2 times in the bank over your deductible. So if you have a $2,000 deductible, I recommend that you have $3,000 to $4,000 set aside. Because if you have $2,400 worth of damage with a $2,000 deductible, you don't want to file a claim because the insurance company is going to raise your premium. So you want to kind of self-insure up to that $3,000, $4,000 mark, and it's going to keep you from having to file claims. If you have $17,000, $18,000 worth of damage, like you've probably seen in some of my other videos, then that's when you use your insurance. So for today's tip, if you raise your deductible, go as high as you can. Make sure you've got the money in the bank in the event that you have an accident, but it's going to lower your premium for the rest of your life. So 3 more tips to come after this one.